Hi there, Sasha Lydiard here, and I'm going to show you a fantastic tool that we've got within Infinii. It comes free, part of the membership, and it is our product research tool. And you're going to find it here in the e-commerce tools. Click on product research, and then you can pick your category. Let's go home and garden. You can either do US or the UK. Now I sell in both, but let's go for the UK for now. And for keywords, let's go for patio sets. And click search. And it should bring some patio sets up. Yeah, pretty quick. And you can then, what I tend to do is filter by ratings and reviews. And you can also limit the prices if you want to as well. So let's just change this to reviews and ratings. So you can either do the ratings or the reviews. Let's go for ratings for now. And click on one of these. Let's go this one here. Okay. Now I've got a tool, an extension called Price Blink. That is, it's an extension, Chrome extension. And when you're using Price Blink, just make sure you've clicked on options and that you've got it either in the United States or the United Kingdom. All right. So at the moment we're searching in UK, but make sure that you switch it back when you're looking in the US. Okay, so this is brought up compare prices. I'm going to click on that and click on eBay. So you can see that it's the same. Let's just double check. I think it's the same. Yep, there you go. $49.99 on Amazon. And it's being listed on eBay at $73.31, $69.99, $69.99. Got any more down here? There's another one, $69.60, $71.99. Okay. Let's just look. And so that's ones that are being listed. Let's also then look at, see if we've got any that have sold. Has it sold? Has it sold? Still a bit early in the season. Oh yeah, look. This one sold £66.34 and that was on the 11th of January. Can you believe it? $75.99, that was sold on the 27th of December. That must have been a Christmas, no, not even a Christmas present. People getting in early. So yeah, it's starting to sell already and sell at a profit. So I would definitely go and list that. And all you would need to do is click on this here, build eBay listing. And it will immediately pull it all through to our listing creator. And you can then go ahead and list it. And if you want to see how the listing creator works, then click on the e-commerce videos link that I've got in the description below, and there's lots of different videos that I've done on e-commerce, and there will be one all about the lister so you can see. But that is just so easy. Find the product, list it, you're away, and there you go. So very simple, very quick. Hope that was interesting for you. If you like what you see, then please do subscribe to my channel, like the video, and any questions you got, please put in the comments below. If you're watching on Facebook, then please make sure that you click the button to see first, so you're not missing any of the videos that I've got coming your way. All right, so there you go. Sasha Lydiard. Speak to you soon. Take care. Bye for now.